हेलो एवरीवन। गवर्नमेंट एग्जाम एनालिसिस चैनल पर आपका स्वागत है। उम्मीद करता हूं आपका सीडीएस का एग्जामिनेशन अच्छा हुआ होगा। तो आप अपना इंग्लिश का पेपर चेक कर लीजिए और साथ साथ में करते रहिए कि आपके कितने क्वेश्चन ठीक हैं। चलो वीडियो शुरू करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, डोंट गो विद। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 आंसर इज ए, विद। सेकंड क्वेश्चन, इट हैज ही हैज बीन कंसीडर्ड एन। Option number A is correct. Question number 2. Question number 3. Don't read between the lines. Question number 4. A village poses a scenic beauty. Question number 5. He is all out of blame everyone for his mistake. Sixth question. This is a unique system. Question number 6. Answer is C. I will take care. I will take care of I will take care of myself. Option number A is correct. Of question number 8, C is considered the nightingale. The is the right answer. अगर हम क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 की बात करें, द रूम इज बिट डार्क, could you please turn on. Question number 9A is right answer. Don't walk so fast, I can't keep up with you. Question number 10, C is right answer. All right. Part of speech. Yes. The preacher said no one is above. The all above is what? Preposition. Question number 11, answer is C. The most beautiful seven monkey. This is to be noun and this to be adjective. Seven monkeys is noun and most beautiful to be adjective. Alas, he has been defeated. Alas is what? Interjection. Option number C is right. Next question. The man who is what? Pronoun. There is pronoun. The man who is in great shift is chief of the day. Who is pronoun? He has been living in the jungle for the long and he know all the animal. This is to be coordinated conjunction. 15B. They have been driving since early morning. Since is what? Since is to be adverb. Option number B is correct. 16 question. Come to the 17th question. This time he woke up to the virus related disease. This to be demonstrative. All right. Love your neighbor as they self. Pronoun. It is to be pronoun. Ravi won the match with the huge margin. Is to be transitive verb. It is transitive verb. Option number B is correct. There was a expulsion in the group. So this answer to be noun is an. So this to be noun. Come to this completion of sentence. Right. Sheila has been receiving and answer number A. Option number A is correct, but C is very honest. Alam has no other option. Option number B is correct, but to accept the challenge. Question number 23. Although the group has been acquitted, they are under the watch of police. Option number A is correct. Unless you fulfill the essential qualification, you will not be called for the interview. Option number C is correct. Question number 25. The company bid for the contract is rejected since the deposit in the account is found less than required. Option number D is correct. Question number 26. I couldn't sleep despite being very tired. Option number B is correct. She married him because of his nature. Option number C is correct. Question number 28. I will come to meet you in case you want. Okay, option number A is correct. 29. If you had planned the work well, you could have completed it on time. Option number D is correct. You can use my computer. Option number, as long as you don't use any external drive. Option number C is correct. अब बात करते हैं आपके स्पोर्टिंग एरर की, ठीक है, जल्दी से हम स्पोर्टिंग एरर निकाल देते हैं. He had been doing the job of the physician since this to be C. आंसर इज सी. सी में आपका एरर है यहाँ पे, ठीक है. He said that he preferred, ठीक है. ऑप्शन नंबर सी इज अगेन प्रेफर टेक्स टू, एंड यहाँ पे सी में एरर है, ठीक है. ऑल दैट ग्लिटर्स आर नॉट गोल्ड, दिस इज वेरी रिपीटेड सेंटेंस. ऑप्शन नंबर सी इज करेक्ट, ठीक है. इस स्पीसीज इज कंसिडर्ड endangered. A species is considered endangered when it is in a very high risk of extinction of the world. तो इसका आंसर बनता है आपका सी. सी इज सी इज टू बी राइट आंसर, ठीक है. आवर ग्रेटेस्ट ग्लोरी इज नॉट इन नेवर falling but the raising every time we fall. So option number, our greatest glory is not in a falling, never falling, but in the rising every time we fall. Option number C is to be answer. Language is an essential modes of the communication. Language is an essential modes of the communication. Option number B is to be right answer, ठीक है. The matter was being resolved. Option number A is correct. Has been resolved, and to be had been resolved if it is in past. Care has been taken to ensure safety and security. Care has been taken to ensure safety and security of the participants in the. Option number B is to be answered. Indian film industry is considered to be one of the symbols. Option number C is to be correct. It is still true that Indian economy is dependent on monsoon. It is still true that the Indian economy is dependent on monsoon. Option number D, no error. अब बात कर लेते हैं एक बार इंडियन फ्रेजेस की, ठीक है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 41, बी इन द इलिप्स, बीइंग डिफीटेड, ways and means, method of achieving something. Option number B is correct. 42 answer. Up in the arms, up in the arms, very angry is to be right answer. Question number 43, big ticket, very costly. Option number B is correct. Very costly. Bolt from the blue, an event which is unexpected. Option number A is correct. Be a law unto yourself. Behave unconventional. Option number A is correct. Speak up to make oneself look neat. Option number A is correct. Run wild is to be grow without any control. Option number D is correct, ठीक है. Wind down, to relax after a period of activity. Option number A is correct. Mellow out, to enjoy oneself without doing much. Option number C is correct, ठीक है. बात कर लेते हैं सिनोनियम्स की, ठीक है. Having got excited, she opened up the Pandora box, which led a lot of commotion, ठीक है. Commotion, uproar, to be answer A, ठीक है. The inherent danger in the problem is that inherent to be inbuilt. The officer was admonished. A is to be right answer. Some people think that, question number 54, some people think that their strength is everlasting. Once action demonstrate. Option number D is correct. The crux of the issue, core of the issue is to be right answer. So each child develop her capability. A is to be answer. He appears, question number 58, he appears to be very haughty. Hafty means to be arrogant. ठीक ठीक है. The now newly appointed secretary is industrious. Industrious means to say diligent, hard worker. The indigent attitude of the speaker made the group unhappy. Resentful to be answered. All right. Right now we talk about antonium. 61 question. His argument are not valid. People consider it bombastic. ठीक है. 61 question. So straightforward. B is to be right answer. The decision was absurd for many of the members of the team. Answers to be absurd. Absurd to be reasonable. C is to be right answer. Relative of the disease have been informed about the accident. Diseased, alive is to be right answer. 63. B is to be answer, alive. At last she was able to get some solace. Solace means to be peace, and we need to tell about antonium. Solace, exaggeration. D is to be right answer. Come to 65 question. 21st century has turned out to be a century of a problem. Contrary means to be similar, right? Answer to be similar. The poet said that poetry is a spontaneous means to be prepared. Antonium क्या हो जाएगा? Prepare. Language is an instrument of for asserting, denying. Option number C is correct. 67. Option C is correct. He has been exonerated as he tendered an apology. Convicted. C is correct. Persuasion is essential for people to work as team. Discouraging. Persuade, discouraging. Right? Question number 70. Every habitat has some distinctive means to be common as an antonium. Next question. Close composition. It sound like it sound like a great idea. It sound like a great idea. People getting instantly excited when they hear phrase educate, when they hear the B is to be right answer. Right. Question number 72. B is the right answer. Or the little of the course that calls itself peace education. About a decade ago I proposed such a course of my institute. Course A. D is to be right answer. 73. D. The idea of course on peace education, D is to be right answer, had occurred to me on the way back from one of the neighboring countries where I met students of class ninth. I couldn't find any difference. A is to be right answer. Any difference between Indian student and their counterpart. B is to be right answer. In the other countries on peace and and on peace and living together. It made me think that if one learns to live with the conflict, life grows across it like grass with trees. Option number B is correct. 78. B is correct. The argument and stance children took demonstrated. 79. That to be come in this place, that come peace from understanding a conflict well, not necessarily 80 question, not necessarily by solving it. 80. A is right answer, so by solving it. Ordering the sentences. 81 question. First question. Man has progressed with the science and technology. Answer to be A. Answer to be A. SRQP is to be right answer. 81 question. SRQP to be right answer. Question number 82. Question number 82. We drink more water during summer. This question is to be answer is B. RSQP. RSQP. ठीक है. Question number 83. Policy, like many other terms, is complex concept. Question number 83. Answer to be A. SRQP is to be right answer. Right. 84 question. Dhoti kurta is traditional lungi type garment worn by men in India. Answer to be C. Answer to be C. ठीक है. 84 question. Answer is C. Language is language in contact with each other cause changes. 85 question. Answer to be B. Answer to be B. QSPR. 86 question. Urbanization in India has become an important and irreversible process. ठीक है. Answer to be D. RQSP. This is answer for the 86 question. ठीक है. Come to the 87 question. Ethics is a branch of philosophy concerned with the distinction between right and wrong and ultimate worth of action or things. Question number 87. Answer is A. RQPS. RQPS. The Constitution of India introduced on 26 January 1950 laid down certain basic principles and values. Question number 88. Answer is A. QPSR. Answer is A. Question number 89. The National Health Policy 2017 envisages creation of digital health technology ecosystem. Question number 89. Answer is C. RQPS. Right. Question number 90. Ecology, history, and geography determine the distribution of organism. And question number 90. Answer is to be A. QRSP. Okay. Come to the filling the blanks. 91 question. He said that he he said that he was broken. He was broke. B is to be right answer. Right. The man in the black thought that he was one of the players. Option number B is correct. When she when she met when she met her friend after a period. Option number C is correct. The portrait of the lady convey more than it appear. Option number B is correct. Question number 95. The biography is about a person's life history. Option number A is correct. 96. She told me that she told me that she would have completed. Option number D is correct. 97 question. What is the name of the person whose A answer is correct? Next question. 98. The world is changing in such a way. Option number D is correct. Had I been informed beforehand, I could have made. Option number A is correct. Indian perspective of life informed that leading a life of greed will result. Option number C is correct. Comprehension. मैं आपको बस ये बताऊंगा कि कौन सा आंसर आपका ठीक है. ठीक है. आप मैं उम्मीद करता हूं आपने कॉम्प्रिहेंशन को अच्छे से पढ़ा होगा. ठीक है. तो एक बार कॉम्प्रिहेंशन के आंसर्स देख लेते हैं. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन 101. Why does conventional education make independent thinking extremely difficult? Option number A is correct. It doesn't encourage disagreement. Worshipping success leads to accepting the established practices. Option number B is correct. Why do most people want to find a quiet corner in life? Because they seek comfort. Option number C is correct. Option number C is correct. Which word is the passage means bias, prejudice, right? Option number B is correct. The word uncomprehendingly is in the passage means without knowing. Option number C is correct, without knowing. 105. Come to the passage 2. Passage 2. What distance a good number of trees can cover a reducing noise? 30. Option number A is correct. Tree can reduce noise only when they are planted dense. Option number C is correct. Question number 108. Single layer of tree is worthless as a noise barrier. Why? Is to be noise can penetrate easily. Higher the trees, lower the noise. 109. Answer is B. How do shrubs and tall grass reduce noise? They absorb noise. Option number A is correct. Ordering of words in the sentence. Right. First question. Freedom doesn't mean at the opportunity. It starts with the R. R. Freedom doesn't mean the opportunity of for self gratification. Option number D is correct. Right. 111. Option number D is correct. Right. Domination and compulsion. Option, it will start with R. Option number A is correct. Domination and repulsion of any kind is a direct hindrance to freedom and intelligence. Question number 113. Banana provides. It will start with Q. It has only one option. D. D is the 113 right answer. Question number 114. This is the time. This is the time. It will start with Q. Option number D is correct. ठीक है. Question number 115. Option number some of the archaeologists. ठीक है. Question option number C is correct. Question 2 116. Endogamy refers to, it will start with R, and endogamy refers to marriage within a unit. Option number D is correct. Question number 117. Question number 117, it will start with coal was a main source. Option number B is correct. Question number 118, its answer is how important is the information that comes from the scientist. Option number C is correct. 118, right. And question number 119. since earliest time since earliest time human have suffered frustration and food losses both by owned by destructive pests. Option number C is correct. Question number 120. Question number 120. Some of the Gupta ruler in India, some of the most specular gold coins, this to be Q P. आंसर इज बी. सो ये थी आपकी आंसर की इंग्लिश की. अगर आपके मुझे आप कमेंट सेक्शन में बताना कि आपके कितने आंसर ठीक हुए हैं. ठीक है, मैं आपको जरूर रिप्लाई दूंगा. थैंक यू.